Money rain that ever happened in Indonesia. The 28th of February 2018 money rain occurred in front of the Kuningan Festival Market, South Jakarta. It rained money in Serang, Banten on June 1, 2008. It rained money in a field in Serang. January 2, 2019 a family in Probolinggo threw money from the roof of the house. A car stops on the road in Barabay district, South Kalimantan, the 22nd of November 2020. Then one of the passengers spread the money through the window. Coin rain occurred on November 25, 2021 on Jalan Raya Sisaga, Chamas, West Java. Money rains in Pakambulan village, Buaran, Pekalongan on March 6, 2022.